Hi there, today we are going to be reviewing central idea. The central idea is what the story or text is mostly about. So whenever we're trying to figure out the central idea, we go ahead and use clues. We look at the title, the picture, words that are used again and again and again, okay? And we pay attention to the details, right? So the central idea is the point the author wants you, the reader, to understand. So what is the story mostly about, right? So right here I have an example, elephants. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the title, elephants. That's a good clue of what the story it might be about. Let's go ahead and look at some pictures. Elephant. Just gonna look at a few pictures. What do you see? More elephants. More elephants. Okay, so far the title says elephants. Every time I'd flip a page, I would see another picture of an elephant. Let's look for words that are used over and over again. The heading on page 4 says the elephant. And then on page 5, elephant fact. What sort of animal is an elephant? Elephant types, an African bull elephant. Where do you find elephants? Elephants are found in these parts of the world. An elephant calf exploring its habitat. Young elephants stay with their mother for the first 8 to 10 years. Young bull elephants play fight with each other. So, what word did you hear me keep repeating? Elephants. So, what do you think the central idea is for this book, Elephants? What do you think the story is mostly about? What do you think the author's point is that he's trying to get to us, the reader? This story is probably going to be about elephants. The central idea of this story is elephants. Another thing I want to point out, whenever we are talking about central idea, we usually focus on informational text because all informational texts have a central idea that the author wants us, the reader, to take away from the text. To do this, look at the details in the text to figure out the central idea. Details are the words, the pictures, the title, the heading, okay? Another thing I want to point out is, or talk about is, what is informational text? What does that mean, informational text? Give you a moment to think back. We've talked about this a couple times. If you need more time, pause the video. But informational texts are stories, books about real information, facts, true things. You're going to learn from them. So in this book, Elephants is an example of informational text. We will learn all about elephants, where they live, what they eat, where they sleep, all sorts of things, okay? So that's an informational text. So one more time, central idea. The central idea is what the story or text is mostly about. All right, I hope you like this little review over central idea.